our GA4 configuration tag is set up, and then we need to set up our event tag. I have added the Google Google Ad dynamic remarketing tag to this code as well, so you can use this code for GA4 setup and Google dynamic remarketing tag setup. Okay, so here as you can see, GA4 event tag is fired. Hello everyone, I'm Smruti from Solutions 8, and today we are going to learn how to set up Google Analytics 4 for your Shopify store using Google Tag Manager. So I'm going to make myself corner so that you can see the screen. So first of all, you need to create your Google Analytics account. It's very simple. But if you are using Analytics 3, I mean Universal Analytics, then you need to upgrade it. So to upgrade it to GA4, you have to go to your admin, then create a new property. Click here. Then you need to put your property name. Then choose your reporting time zone and currency code. Then click here, next. Then choose your industry category. Choose shopping for e-commerce. Then for business site, choose as for your business site. Then select all these. Then create. Then click here on web. Then put your website URL. You have to put without HTTPS because it's already added here, and name your stream. Then keep the enhanced measurement on. Then click on create stream. Then here is our measurement ID. You can click here to copy the measurement ID. Then you need to go back to your Google Tag Manager account. You before that you have to set up your Google Tag Manager inside for your Shopify store. You can click here, and for this code it will go to the head section. You can copy the code, put on your theme.liquid head section and the checkout section. Then this piece of code will go to the body section. If you want to know how to add this code to the theme.liquid head section, you can watch my video, my tutorial on how to set up Google Ad purchase conversion action tutorial. And inside that tutorial I have shared you how you can set up Google Tag Manager for Shopify Store. So I will add that link inside the description. Okay, then after setting up, you need to go here, tags. Then you need to create a new tag. Click on new. Then you need to name your tag. Then click here, tag configuration. Then choose Google Analytics GA4 configuration. Then paste your measurement ID. Then for triggering, click here and choose all pages. Then save the tag. Okay, so our GA4 configuration tag is set up, and then we need to set up our event tag. Okay, so for GA4, Google has created some recommended event. Here is the here are some recommended event created by Google. But if you use all these event, your tracking will efficient. You can efficiently track all the things. But to make it simple, I'm going to use some necessary event like view item list, view item, view card, purchase, and add to cart. Okay, so basically event means if someone, let's suppose for a view item event, if someone viewing a product, then you need to pass the item event along with item details like item id, item name, item price, etc., using an event. Okay, basically you can create a data layer to pull the information. So GA4 uses some certain schema for data layer so that it can automatically pull all the information like product name, product ID, product pricing, etc. from the data layer. So we have created a data layer code. Basically here it is following to GA4 schema, and I have added the Google Google Ad dynamic remarketing tag to this code as well. So you can use this code for GA4 setup and Google dynamic remarketing tag setup. Basically, I have already created a video on how to set up Google Ad dynamic remarketing tag. You can watch that tutorial to know how to set up dynamic remarketing tag. Okay, so basically we need to add these code to our website. To add, here you can go to your website admin panel, then go to here online store. Okay, then you can find your current theme, then click here actions, then you can choose edit code. Okay, then we need to scroll down. Okay, so we need to create a snippet first. So expand the snippet, then click here add a new snippet. Okay, just name your snippet like this. Okay, so just copy from here. I will add the link inside the description. Okay, then click on done. Because I have already created this event earlier in my dynamic remarketing tutorial, I'm going to update the code to avail the GA4 information to that code. Okay, so basically you need to click on done and copy all the code from not there to here. Okay, just copy it, and after done you need to place the code. Okay, so I'm gonna close this, and here you can see data layer dot liquid is created. Okay, so here is my dynamic remarketing code. I'm gonna update it, just update it and save it. Then we need to add this code to our head section. Okay, to add, here you have to copy this code and go to your theme.liquid file. Inside the head section you can put that code. Okay, so here is my, okay, so here you can see my head section, and here is my Google Tag Manager code. After that code you can place this code. Okay, so I have already added this code to here. Okay, then save it. Okay, then you need to copy the code for checkout to track the checkout page. Okay, so copy the code from here to here, then close the exit the section, then go to here settings, then checkouts and accounts, then scroll down. Then inside the additional script, here is our purchase conversion tag with enhanced conversion. You can watch our purchase conversion action tutorial to learn, and you can also watch our enhanced conversion tutorial to learn how to set up enhanced conversion. Okay, so here you can see our remarketing tag is present. Basically, I have added this code while creating that video. Okay, so for if you set off dynamic remarketing tag, so you can select the tag and replace it. Okay, so here is our GA4 dynamic remarketing tag plus GA4 tag. So it's the combined tag. Just place it and save it, then close it. Then we need to so we need to copy the code and add to our add to cart button. Okay, so to track add to cart event. So basically, first of all, you need to find the page, the code that are using to create your product page, and inside that code you need to find the add to cart button. So to get this page, you need to go to again here theme section and click on edit code. Then here you can expand the section and you can find. Okay, so here is my product hyphen pro sorry main hyphen product dot liquid file. This section is using this section, inside these code are creating this design basically. So it may vary theme to theme. Actually the name is vary theme to theme. You can find the name should follow product dot liquid like this. So in my case product sorry main hyphen product dot liquid. So you can identify the section that has been used to create this page. Okay, so it may be risky and it may be very complicated process, but if you want you can follow the step to set up event for AutoCAD. But if you don't want to take risk, you can skip the process, skip this step to you can basically you can skip the AutoCAD event. Okay, so from here we need to find the add to cart button. So hover over on your add to cart button, then right click, then inspect. Okay, then here you can see the highlighted area. This code is creating this kind of design and button. So from here you need to find the class. So here is a class. You can double click and copy the class from here to here. Okay, then go to here and click here and press Ctrl F to search that class. Then click on next. Then you can see the class is this. So basically this is the code that is creating this kind of design. Okay, so basically I have also added the dynamic remarketing tag to here. So you can see from so from here to here is my dynamic remarketing tag. So basically you have to replace the code. Okay, so replace this code. So basically if you haven't set up your dynamic remarketing tag, the code will look like this. The button code will look like look like this: button, then type, button, then space, then type, then submit. So you can, after the button, you can make a space, okay, then enter, then double enter to make more space, okay, then copy the tag from here to here, then place it here, okay. So this code is placed, then click on save to continue. Okay, so asset saved. Okay, so these all code will create data layer for our Shopify store. So to check the information, to check the data layer, you have to go to your Google Tag Manager and click on preview mode. Then put your website URL and connect. So it is connected, you can see, and here is also connected. Okay, so here you can see our GA4 configuration tag is fired because it will fire on every pages. So let's go to a shop page. So here you can see an event is fired, view item list, and after click on data layer to see the data layer. So here are all the information that is following the GA4 schema, like ID and Google business vertical is our dynamic remarketing information, and here is item ID, item name, price. So all the information has been passed that you are viewing here, okay. Then click on a product page, then you can see view item tag is fired, and along with view item event, here are the information. Then click on add to cart. So here is add to cart event is fired, and here are the informations. Then click on view cart. So view cart event is also fired, you can see the informations. Then purchase it.
This is not a glitch. I'm interrupting the video you're watching because I need to remind you that I'm always looking for people to join our team. So if you're passionate about Google Ads and you want to work with the best Google Ads agency on the planet, please go to solate.com/apply. Speaking of working with the best Google Ads agency on the planet, if you're having trouble with Google Ads and you want professional help, that's what we do. You can go to solate.com, that's SOL8.com, to apply for your free, no obligation action plan. And if I've given you any level of value at all, maybe think about giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. That's how we juice the YouTube algorithm so they actually know that I know what I'm talking about. If you have questions, comments, concerns, or confessions, hit me below in the comments. And now, back to your regularly scheduled program.
So purchase is completed. Here you can see purchase event is also fired, and all the information like transaction ID, value, tax and shipping currency, all the item array, all the information is passing correctly. So we can use all this information to set up our event. Basically, we are following the GA4 schema. So GA4 is going to push all the information. Okay, so basically tag manager will push all the information to GA4. Okay, so go to here tag manager, then click here new to set up a new tag, name your tag GA4 event, then click here tag configuration, and this time choose Google Analytics 4 event. Okay, then choose your configuration tag. So we have created this tag for the GA4 configuration. Choose here, and for event name we will pull the event name dynamically from the event. Then choose here first, so choose your event to pull the event name dynamically, and for more data, click here to expand more setting, and for e-commerce choose this option. This will pull all the information from the data layer. Okay, as you can see. And for triggering, click here to create a new trigger. Click here and choose custom event. Okay, so we need to fire when all this information, when all the event will available. Okay, so copy all the events and go to here and paste it. So basically it will pass multiple events. Then to pass multiple event, use regex matching. Turn it, then save it. Then everything is done, just save it. Okay, so now our GA4 configuration and GA4 event tag is fired. Now we need to check whether our tag is all these two tag is firing or not. So let's close the old preview mode, create a new preview mode, then put your URL, connect. So it is connected. Here you can see uh, GA4 tag configuration tag is fired because it will fire on every pages, and GA4 event tag is not fired because it will fire only when these events are available. Okay, so let's check. Go to shop all page. Here, okay, so here as you can see GA4 event tag is fired. Okay, and here you can see inside the analytics area, just close this. To check, we need to create a debug view. Click here, configuration, then click here, debug view. So here you can see view item list event, like this event. Okay, so this event view item list event is passing here. You can click here to check all the other information. Here is the page title. Okay, then for item parameter you can see all the products that you are browsing here. You can see also, you can expand each product to see the item ID, quantity, item name, price, etc. Okay, so you can expand all the product. Okay, let's check other events. Let's choose this product. Okay, so you can see view item event is fired. Then click here to check other information like values 500, the product price, and here item, you can see the exact item name and other information. Okay, then check other events too. Let's check R to cart. Okay, R to cart event is fired here. Okay, add to cart event is also fired here. You can see all the information. Then check other information to view cart. View cart event is fired. You can check whether it is passing here or not. View cart event is fired. Okay, so everything is passing correctly. Okay, then let's purchase this item. Okay, so our purchase is completed. Here you can see purchase event is fired, and GA4 event tag is also fired. And here, okay, so here you can see an event is fired purchase. Okay, so basically you can see, a separate icon for this, like flag icon. Basically, it's represent a conversion happened. Okay, so basically we are using the recommended event by Google. So when it sees a purchase event, it will count automatically as a conversion. Okay, so you can click here to check more information like shipping. Okay, shipping is geo, like here shipping is free, and here you can see the tax 90, transaction ID, and value. Okay, value is same. Okay, and for item parameter you can check the items. Okay, so all the things, everything is passing correctly in the debug view, but here for events it will take some time to pass. It will take 24 hour, so it will take up to 24 hour to pass all the event, like all these event to populate here. Okay, so everything is passing correctly, so we can close the window, and after this don't forget to make it public. Just click here, submit, then publish the container. You can skip this. So our container is public, and now our analytics will start work. Okay, so in this way you can set up GA4 for your Shopify store using Google Tag Manager. I hope you like this video. If you have liked this, just make it just thumbs up to this video, and make sure to subscribe to this channel to watch these kind of valuable tutorial, and just share this video to with your colleagues and friends, family, wherever you can. And that's it for today, and see you again another interesting tutorial like this. Bye bye. Hi guys, I'm Smruti from Solutions 8, and today we are going to learn how to set up Google Ads dynamic remarketing tag for your Shopify store using Google Tag Manager. So first of all, to run dynamic remarketing campaign,